We're going to do some tie-dye with the Derivan Tie Dye kit. First up, you just need to put the nozzles on the bottles so that you can get intricate designs. Today we're going to do the folding technique. So first up, you need to wet the t-shirt, and now you want to place it onto a clean surface, and you need to start folding the t-shirt like it's a fan. Keep going till you get to the top. And now it's time to secure that design with some rubber bands. Keep doing that until you have a good amount on. Each rubber band is going to be a stripe. And in this design, I'm going to use yellow and I'm going to use magenta. So I'm using the nozzle to get into those folds, and you can see how the ink is spreading because the t-shirt is wet. Keep filling that in. Do both sides. And now we're just going to very carefully cut the rubber bands off. And we've got a beautiful stripy t-shirt. Now all we have to do is heat set it. So the way that you heat set is you protect the garment with an old tea towel, and then you get your iron and you put it on the hottest setting, which is cotton, and then iron the garment for up to 4 minutes. And what that will do is we'll set the colours so they're nice and bright, vibrant, and stay vibrant after washing.